What's up guys, I spent $3,000 on Medford knives. 5 knives right here, some more expensive, some less. This is custom knives from what I understand. The model is Gentleman Jack. I like that, it tells you everything about it right here. I think this is a split. Okay, let's open it. They all come with the certificate of authenticity. I think this is called slip lock. You see how it just slips and locks it. Ooh, check this out. There's writing, made in the United States of America. Beautiful. So yeah, very comfortable, simple knife. Obviously everyday carry because it's just so easy to open it. It's not thick, it's not too small, average size. It's just perfect for everyday situation. Next we have something a little bit better. Model number is Prox. So let's open it up, see what's they about. Check this out. You see there's a little flicker right here. Ooh, what I understand, it's supposed to come a little tight, so that way it will loosen up later, because this is a tank of a knife. So you just have to give it a little flick, and just not even a big flick, because if you try to flick it with a finger like that, it's just too heavy. So you gotta do a little flick, and I love that there's a finger guard also. Pretty amazing. Look at that beast of a knife. It's so thick. The handle is thick. For my big hands, I would carry it. It's quite heavy, so maybe go camping with it. So this is awesome. Check it out. Definitely a tank of a knife, overbuilt, whatever you want to call it. MKT. Beautiful. Can we grab it like that and open it? Yeah, easy. Look at that blade. It's so thick. I love big knives, so it's a special for me. I like those a lot. Okay, next we got right here model number nosf flipper. Okay, let's see what this thing is about. I love the casing, I love the packaging, just everything about it. The boxes are nice. Look at that. There's a dog tag over here, whatever they called. Look at this little casing. So awesome. Certificate of authenticity, June 3, 2021. That is cool. So, a little bit different. Seems to be a dogger style, but it's not. But it's so smooth. Is this a button? Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Look at that logo. Beautiful blade. Close it. Flick it this way. Flick it this way, whatever you prefer more. I like that design. Again, really thick knife. I guess I would like to call them like a tank. Really nice clip right here. Doesn't lift up too hard, I mean too easy. Boom. I get so much joy of this knife. It's so easy to flick it out and open it. Love it. I guess you can also open it this way, but to release it, all you have to do is go like that. So smooth. Very nice knife. Okay, next, let's see what we got here. INFR. Okay, let's see. This knife is pretty unique. You see it's kind of like on the top flicker, and you gotta move your finger away instantly, because if you flick it and then do the motion, this will hit your finger. So you kind of gotta go this way quickly. There you go. A really thick blade. Again, what do you guys think? I love the overbuilt knives or tanks right here. So you can open it this way, no problem. You can grab it this way, open it this way. Just so many ways to open it. You could probably flick it this one out as well if you practice enough. It is quite heavy, still smooth. So yeah, there you go, there's a logo. Beautiful knife. It's lightweight for such a thick, heavy knife. It's quite light. And the last one, check this out. This one is Genesis T. From what I understand, this is the most popular knife over here. The thickest one they make. Look how big that is. It's a beast. Look at that thick blade. Wow, nice clip. Okay, how do we open it? Ooh, it's tight. I think also they kind of make them super tight and they expect for it to loosen up later. But look at that blade. It's quite hefty. There is your balance point right here. Well balanced, right where you hold it. The handle for my fingers, a bit short, but I can live with that. It is a nice knife. But at the same time, when I unboxed it, I kind of liked the other couple a little bit better. You see how tight it is? You really have to fling it out. Right now, at this point, I think it's like 2 hands flipper because it's so tight. But again, as you can see, it's kind of a like almost 3-fingered grip. I guess there's 4 fingers. It's comfortable. There you go. Very interesting, unique knife. I like this one a lot actually. Wish the handle was a little bit longer, but for average hands it's probably nice. But yes, super thick knife. Check this out. Also, how can you not compliment their cases? They're so awesome. You know what, after checking them all out, I think this is my favorite Medford knife. I like that little flipper, also a finger guard, really thick, big handle, thick knife as well. Everything I was looking for at Medford, just a really big knife. This is nice. This is my favorite because it's just so easy. It has a big flipper over here and at the same time finger guard. How cool is that? Love this knife. In my big hands, this knife looks a lot smaller than it is. You know, on average hands it probably will look even bigger.